Friends, if you're over 60, here's a startling truth that could change your daily energy and strength forever. And it's about something you do without even thinking: drinking water. We all start our mornings with a glass, right? It feels automatic, just a habit. But what most people don't realize is that after the age of 60, plain water alone might not be enough to truly keep your muscles strong, prevent those annoying cramps, or stop them from drying out. Muscle cells lose water faster, your body absorbs minerals less efficiently, and you can still feel weak and fatigued, even when you think you're drinking plenty. It's a hidden dehydration, an invisible thief stealing your vitality, and most people unknowingly let it happen. Just look at someone like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. While he's not yet 60, his approach to hydration is a blueprint for peak performance. He never just drinks plain water when training. He enhances it with natural electrolytes, coconut water, and essential trace minerals to help his muscles recover and stay powerful. If these simple steps work wonders for someone constantly pushing his body to the absolute limit, imagine the profound difference they could make for you after 60, helping you rebuild muscle strength fast. Don't miss out on this simple secret to reclaiming your strength, energy, and freedom of movement. In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 incredibly easy ingredients you can add to your daily water to supercharge your hydration, actively prevent muscle loss, and help you feel stronger, more vibrant, and more confident every single day. One of the foundational steps to truly hydrating your body, especially as you age, begins with a simple upgrade to your morning glass of water: fresh lemon and a pinch of mineral salt. By the time we reach 60, our bodies simply don't hold on to water the way they used to. You might dutifully drink several glasses throughout the day, or even carry a water bottle constantly, yet still experience nagging tiredness, unexplained stiffness, or those disruptive nighttime muscle cramps. This isn't your fault, it's because plain water without the right mineral partners tends to pass right through you. As the years go by, the tiny cellular gates that are supposed to hold water within your cells start to weaken. Muscles, which are a remarkable 75% water, lose their crucial ability to sponge up and retain hydration, leading to a silent dehydration that saps your energy, affects your balance, and makes your joints feel less fluid. The good news? You don't need pricey supplements to fix this. The solution is likely already in your kitchen. A squeeze of fresh lemon and a pinch of quality mineral salt does something incredibly powerful. It helps water stay inside your muscles, precisely where it's needed most. Lemon offers gentle citric acid, subtly lowering your water's pH and making it absorb more efficiently through your small intestine. Think of it as opening more doors for hydration to reach your bloodstream. Plus, its vitamin C supports collagen, vital for keeping muscles and connective tissues flexible instead of stiff. But not just any salt. We're talking about mineral salts like Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt, which are packed with small but significant amounts of magnesium, potassium, and trace minerals your body truly craves. These essential electrolytes are the tiny conductors that help water get inside muscle cells and stay there, rather than just washing away. They also calm nerve activity, which often translates to fewer nighttime cramps and less soreness after everyday activities like a brisk walk or an afternoon of gardening. You only need a little. Try about half a teaspoon of lemon juice or a couple of thin lemon slices, combined with a pinch of mineral salt, in an 8 to 12 ounce glass of water. Drink this concoction first thing in the morning when your body is naturally dehydrated after sleep. For an extra touch of flavor, consider adding cucumber slices or fresh mint, especially delightful on warmer days. This habit offers far more than just hydration. The minerals help steady blood pressure, the lemon aids digestion, and together they provide your muscles with exactly what they need to recover from daily demands, whether that's walking, bending, or simply rising from a chair. Many people notice fewer cramps, steadier energy levels, and improved stability when navigating stairs or quickly standing up. It's a small, consistent action, but over time, it's one of the simplest and most effective ways to combat hidden muscle dehydration and ensure your body moves with confidence well into your golden years. If the lemon and mineral salt mixture is your foundational step for keeping water within your body, then incorporating electrolyte powder represents the vital next level in achieving profound muscle hydration. Most people tend to think of electrolytes as exclusive to young marathon runners or individuals recovering from severe illness. However, here's a surprising yet crucial truth. After the age of 60, your body's need for electrolytes actually increases. It doesn't decrease. This is primarily because aging kidneys flush out water and vital minerals more quickly than they once did, and your body's natural thirst signal tends to weaken over time. By the time you consciously feel thirsty, you're often already significantly behind on your hydration needs. Electrolytes, these tiny, powerful minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, are the true orchestrators of how water moves both in and out of your cells. They are, quite literally, the keys that unlock proper cellular hydration. Without them, water might merely pass through your system, leaving your muscles feeling flat, dry, and easily fatigued. When these electrolytes are properly balanced, however, water is efficiently drawn into your muscle cells and held there, keeping them plump, flexible, and robust. A compelling study published in the Journal of Nutrients illuminated this fact, revealing that older adults who regularly drank water infused with balanced electrolytes experienced nearly a 30% improvement in muscle hydration in just 5 days, whereas plain water alone showed almost no impact. Participants in the study also reported a noticeable reduction in leg cramps, enhanced balance, and significantly less soreness after everyday activities such as walking or ascending stairs. When choosing an electrolyte powder, it's essential to look for specific qualities. Prioritize options that are sugar-free, devoid of artificial colors, and caffeine-free, as many commercial sports drinks are unfortunately laden with sugar and unnecessary additives. A high-quality powder should provide a balanced ratio of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Some even include beneficial additions like vitamin C or zinc to further support your joints and immune system. Integrating it into your routine is straightforward. Begin with about half a teaspoon of electrolyte powder mixed into 16 ounces, 500 milliliters of water. Sip it slowly throughout the morning or after any gentle physical activity like walking or stretching. There's no need to gulp it down. Steady, consistent sipping ensures better absorption by your body. The benefits are often swift and noticeable. Many report steadier energy levels, less dizziness upon standing, a decrease in frustrating nighttime muscle twitches, and an overall sense of lightness and ease in their movements. The goal isn't to consume massive quantities of minerals, but rather to provide your muscles with precisely what they need to retain water and function smoothly. If you've always dismissed electrolytes as something only for young, elite athletes, it's time to reconsider. At this stage of life, your body may actually derive greater benefits from them than ever before. Adding this crucial step to your daily water routine is one of the most accessible and effective ways to combat insidious hidden dehydration. Steadfastly protect your muscle strength and confidently navigate your day with sustained vitality. Another incredible natural solution for deep hydration and muscle recovery comes in the convenient form of freeze-dried coconut water, offering pure electrolytes without the fuss. You've likely heard the common wisdom that coconut water hydrates better than plain water. And this isn't just an old tropical saying. Science genuinely supports its efficacy. Coconut water is uniquely rich in naturally occurring electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium, precisely the minerals your muscles demand to effectively hold onto water and facilitate proper recovery. In fact, raw coconut water boasts almost double the potassium found in a typical banana, solidifying its status as one of nature's most potent hydration boosters. However, there's a practical hurdle. Fresh coconut water, while wonderful, isn't always convenient. It perishes quickly. Sourcing clean coconuts can be challenging, and lugging them around is far from practical. This is precisely where freeze-dried coconut water powder shines. It's simply pure coconut water that has had all its moisture meticulously removed, leaving behind a potent, lightweight powder concentrated with beneficial minerals. When you mix this powder into water, you reap all the same hydrating benefits without any of the logistical hassles. This option is especially appealing if you find the slightly salty taste of mineral water or standard electrolyte powders less to your liking. Freeze-dried coconut water has a naturally mild, slightly sweet flavor that's pleasant to sip throughout the day, even for those who typically shy away from supplements. Crucially, because it's naturally balanced, it avoids overloading your system with excessive sugar or sodium, a common issue with many store-bought sports drinks. The advantages extend significantly beyond mere hydration. The rich potassium content in coconut water is known to help stabilize blood pressure and significantly reduce muscle cramps. Magnesium, another key mineral, supports muscle relaxation and can even contribute to more restful sleep. Furthermore, the small amount of natural glucose present in coconut water acts as a clever carrier, helping electrolytes and amino acids penetrate your muscle cells more efficiently. For older adults, whose nutrient absorption tends to gradually slow down with age, this gentle natural boost can lead to a noticeable improvement in energy levels and overall recovery. Incorporating it couldn't be simpler. Stir about 1 teaspoon of freeze-dried coconut water powder into 10-16 ounces, 305-500 milliliters of cool water. Enjoy it first thing in the morning, after a refreshing walk, or whenever you feel a little run down. For an extra layer of flavor and digestive benefits, consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a thin slice of fresh ginger, making it even more invigorating. Over time, many individuals report a significant reduction in muscle cramps, less general stiffness, and a more consistent feeling of energy throughout their day, particularly noticeable in warm weather or after moderate physical activity. And distinct from many other hydration products, natural coconut water won't cause your blood sugar to spike, elevate your blood pressure, or interfere with your precious sleep. It truly is simply water enhanced with nature's own minerals, ideally suited to support your body as it gracefully ages. Adopting this single habit into your daily regimen might seem minor, but its positive impact on your well-being is remarkably real. Steadier steps, calmer nights, and a quiet surge of confidence from knowing your body is receiving precisely what it needs to thrive. Finally, let's address an incredibly potent secret weapon for hydrating and strengthening your muscles, even while you sleep: low-dose creatine. When most people hear the word creatine, their minds immediately conjure images of bodybuilders in the gym, chugging protein shakes and flexing muscles. But here's something profoundly important that most people don't realize. Low-dose creatine is unequivocally one of the safest, most thoroughly researched, and highly effective tools older adults can strategically use to actively protect vital muscle mass, vigorously fight pervasive fatigue, and even significantly support overall brain function. And a crucial part of its magic lies in its ability to help your muscles tenaciously hold onto water where it is most needed at a cellular level. Creatine is not a hormone, nor is it a stimulant or a steroid. It is a completely natural compound that your body produces in modest amounts and stores predominantly within your muscles as a readily available, quick source of energy. Every single time you stand up from a chair, ascend a flight of stairs, or carry groceries from the car, your muscles rely heavily on this critical energy reserve. After the age of 60, these natural creatine stores in your body begin to inevitably decline, a process that can subtly lead to weaker muscles, a slower recovery rate, and an increased feeling of stiffness after even routine, everyday tasks. This is precisely where incorporating tiny, measured amounts of supplementation can deliver a truly profound difference. Extensive research consistently demonstrates that just 1 to 2 grams per day of pure creatine monohydrate can significantly improve lower body strength, enhance walking speed, and remarkably boost balance in older adults within a mere couple of months. This dosage is substantially less than half the amount typically used by younger athletes, yet it is still perfectly sufficient to effectively refill your muscles' crucial energy tanks. However, creatine's multifaceted benefits extend far beyond just providing raw energy. When creatine successfully enters your muscle cells, it meticulously pulls water inside, contributing not to uncomfortable bloating, but to essential deep hydration at the cellular level. This invaluable process helps keep muscles feeling full, elastic, and far better equipped to efficiently repair themselves after activity. Furthermore, proper cellular hydration supported by creatine plays a pivotal role in maintaining robust nerve signaling, which, in turn, markedly improves movement and coordination, capabilities that are absolutely vital for preventing falls as we gracefully age. There's yet another exciting bonus. Creatine is also a steadfast supporter of overall brain health. Studies indicate it assists nerve cells in storing energy, a mechanism that can lead to a notable reduction in mental fatigue and a welcome sharpening of focus, an unexpected yet cherished benefit many older adults enthusiastically report after beginning supplementation. So, how do you harness this incredible compound? It's wonderfully simple. Stir just 1 to 2 grams, approximately half a teaspoon, of pure creatine monohydrate into warm water once daily, ideally in the evening. Warm water facilitates its dissolution more readily, and nighttime is the perfect timing as your body diligently repairs itself while you sleep. You can effortlessly mix it into your lemon water, coconut water, or even just plain water. It is entirely tasteless and odorless. Are you concerned about safety? Be assured, long-term studies conducted on older adults, including those with mild kidney concerns or controlled high blood pressure, unequivocally show that low doses of creatine are exceptionally well tolerated and demonstrably safe when utilized correctly. The absolute key is to consistently stay within that beneficial 1-2 gram range, and crucially, to pair it with excellent overall hydration, which this very routine is designed to powerfully provide. Make this a steadfast nightly ritual, and over time you will very likely observe stronger steps, a significant reduction in nagging cramps, quicker recovery from your daily activities, and even enjoy clearer, sharper thinking. It is truly one of those unassuming yet profoundly science-backed habits that feels almost unfairly effective, especially when you consider all it takes is a mere pinch of powder in a glass of water before heading to bed. You've now uncovered 4 remarkably simple ingredients that possess the power to transform a basic glass of water into a formidable muscle-supporting elixir. No complex routines, no exorbitant supplements, just straightforward daily habits that are meticulously designed to keep your body optimally hydrated, proactively prevent disruptive cramps, and diligently protect your precious muscles as you age. Imagine the profound difference. Waking up with fewer aches and stiffness, walking with a renewed sense of steadiness and balance, and experiencing consistent, vibrant energy that lasts throughout your entire day. This remarkable transformation is precisely what proper, targeted hydration can achieve for you, especially when it's intelligently paired with the precise minerals and natural support your muscles desperately need to thrive. If this video has opened your eyes to a new perspective on maintaining your strength and vitality, remember that your body takes care of you every single day. It's time to return the favor.